Oliver's Cooking Cave. Today I will make something I call the Wufu fried apple with pork belly. This is a dish also from northeast China, where I have spent a lot of my time, and I will show you how I will make it. First of all, I have some pork belly that I cut in very thin slices, and poured some black pepper on both sides. And then I have sliced apples, one apple. I have some rice, and I have some onion rings. And this is basically what we need for making this dish. And as always, heat up the wok at a high temperature and add about 2 tablespoons oil. And then we see if it's warm. Oh yes. So we put the meat in. And this meat we fry until the start get dry and crispy. And then we take off. But first we fry. And now we can see that the pork belly is frying in practically its own fat, and then it's time to take it off and let the oil drain away, and then in the own same fat then we will slightly fry the onion rings. And these have to fry until get shiny. And with this temperature, this is very fast. And then, when the onions fall apart, then we add the apples. And then after some minutes, then we take the chili and pour into it. Now here it starts to get soft, then turn off the heat, and then we put back the fried meat. Mix it into. And then we push it up to one side, so the oil drain away. And then we put it into see if we can have a woofo fried apple with the pork belly. This you serve together with the rice or some puree. Enjoy me.